Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my channel RFunDiaries. My name is Rehan Khan and I hope you all are doing great. So today is a very special day. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all of you. I know everybody right now is just doing lots of things, but today is going to be a very special vlog. Now we are going to be going on a road trip by bus, not by car, to a city in Malaysia called Penang, which is about 5 to 5.5 hours away. Now, as I said, we are not going by car this time. We are going by bus because we want to see how a bus will be like in Malaysia. So today, let's go by bus, and I'm gonna show you all of it and everything. So please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Anyway, so we have reached the bus terminal, and our bus will depart at 11:30 a.m. Right now, it's almost, I guess, 10:30, 10:40. So we are going to wait a little bit for it to, depart. And I want to also show you this bus station. So this is the bus station, and it does not look like a bus station at all whatsoever. When you see it, it just looks more like you're in an airport, don't you think? So now we're on the bus, and we're about to go. So guys, we've taken a pit stop at a rest area that is somewhat bigger than Hera. So now let's go and check out something. Now this is called a tea tarik. It's basically the Malaysian version of chai. So let's make one. It's an automatic tea machine. Look. You may be wondering, Ryan, are you in Penang yet? Well, no. Penang itself is an island, and to get there, either you can take a bridge and you go by bus, or you can take the best route, the ferry. So what we are going to do is that after our bus dropped us off at an area of Penang called Butterworth, we are going to be taking a ferry to Georgetown, where our hotel and everything is going to be. And also, there is going to be so many more things happening in this video. We're going to be exploring Georgetown, and we're going to go to the beach. And there's one more thing. I'm not going to say it. You have to stay tuned to find out. As you can see, we are on the ferry, and compared to our small ferry boat, that ship, that is a container ship, and it is definitely a few 100 times bigger. So guys, ignore all the noise, but now we are in our hotel room in Penang, and the room number is 104. So let's go in. You get one big bed, and then one tiny little bed. It's very smallest TV in the world, and then this stuff, nice place to put your coats and everything. So guys, as you can see, we are walking in Penang, and we are going to be going to a place called Chew Jetty. Chew Jetty is basically is part of the Penang clan jetties, and it was made back in the 19th century for all the Chinese people to be living there. And to this day, I think there are still lots of people who are living there right now, and we are going to go check it out. So as you can see, I'm holding Google Maps, and it's telling me to turn left. Always saw this art on the videos. Just put the camera there. So, would you come here? I definitely would. Again. You can see it's a little mic change, but I promise the same audio is going to be there. And we are walking, and wow, already Chew Jetty. But something we can see, and this was almost so over there is the other island, and here is the Penang Island where we are at. So if you go over there, that's just very like a 5-10 minute ferry ride, and you will get to the other island, and then here is the island that we are at. So back to the phone mic. Anyway, in front of us, or sorry, behind us, we have this street art. It's just a brother and sister on a bicycle. That's it, and it's pretty good. Don't you think? So next up on our list, we have this. It's a Georgetown UNESCO World Heritage Site. The organization of the World Heritage Cities awarded the Jean Paul L. Allier Prize for Heritage 2021 edition to the city of Georgetown for its comprehensive project, creating public spaces through the revitalization of backlanes in the World Heritage City of Georgetown. So guys, I'm on the bed. But this vlog does not end here. Tomorrow is going to be full of even more surprises. And even one that I'm still going to be saving for tomorrow. But I'll give you a little bit of a hint. It's pool related. Okay, that's the first hint. The second hint will be given tomorrow morning. And also, another one more thing. We are also going to a beach tomorrow, and it's called Batu Ferringhi Beach. But that is not the secret I was trying to give you the hint of. That secret, it's a different one, and you'll understand later. Anyway, we are in the next part of street art in Georgetown. Brother and sister on a swing. So this is Batu Ferringhi Beach, as you can see. And then let me show you something even better. All the way, those mountains over there, that you can see like a lot of things here. Batu Ferringhi is known for being a very good beach, which is why we chose that out of every other beach in the entire island. So guys, right now we have reached a place in Batu Ferringhi Beach which is just a drop or whatever. And as you can see, I've taken off my shoes because of the sea doing this. So guys, this was the secret I've been hiding. We are going to a place called Bertam Waterpark, Penang. So if you guessed that we are going to a water park, you are right. Now let's go to the water park and have a blast. So it's like an arcade, as you can see, and there are the toilets there. It's just a mark. Okay. And then if you go here is the ticket counter. You have to get our tickets inside. Yeah. Just go back and let's keep going and keep going and keep walking. So guys, we are going to take a water slide. Let's show you. This is the water slide. So guys, as you can see, this is a water slide. This water slide makes you take a mat, and then you have to go all of those stairs up, and then you will just put your feet against the wall, and then you will just start sliding down. So as you can see, I think I'm on the blue and yellow slide. So as you can see here, I'm on this slide. This slide goes really, really fast, and then when you reach the end, you somehow actually just fall inside the water from the tube. So yeah, it is very difficult. And anyway, this is going to be the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and look at my face. that fell into the water, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
Guys, we are going the way through here on a water slide. Kind of.
Lúc nãy có bị nào à?